So I got my Subaru Outback here. You're going to see the dash is kind of lit up like a Christmas tree when I start it. We got check engine light, the parking brake flashing, seatbelt sign, cruise control flashing as well. Low gas is, I just low on gas, so that's not a problem. But I saw a kind of funny short where someone said the best way to fix this is just take a marker and scribble over these lights. Could do that. I'd use tape myself maybe over it so you can remove that and do a permanent fix. But today I'm going to show you how to fix this the proper way. First thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself one of these. It's just a code reader. I just got the cheapest one I could find off of Amazon. We're going to plug it in, see what codes we get back for this car, and I'll show you how to fix the problem. So there's the unit. It's the OBD2. You're gonna, before you order, you're going to make sure your car's compatible with this. Most are. Anyways, these older cars, you're going to see right up there, there's a port. You're just going to plug that right in there. Now we got this plugged in, we're just going to say okay. It's going to do a scan. And codes found 1. So now it's got these options, read codes, erase codes. You can go to read code. It's going to tell you all this information that you probably don't understand anyways. So what you want to do is just go to number 2, erase codes. You hit OK. You say, are you sure you want to erase this code? You say yes. Okay, after you reset the code, you might just need to restart the engine. And after you do that, you'll see that those lights have stopped blinking. That's awesome, and we fixed the problem. If it shows up again, it might in a little bit. You just want to do the same thing, clear that out again. All right, hope that works for you. Have a good day.